Yes, what is the answer?
10.
What is the answer?
Ma'am, the answer is 10.
10. Okay, let's check it. Everyone is getting 10. Is it so?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we will be taking the LCM over here. That is root 3 minus root 2 and root 3 plus root 2. Now, since root 3 minus root 2 is the LCM here in the numerators part, what are we going to have, Saad? Yes, Saad? Sarah? What are we going to have in the... Yeah, please tell me.
Ma'am, I haven't done it yet. I'm doing
Okay, let's see how to do it. Saad, have you done? Yes? See, this is how we'll be doing it. Okay, root 3 plus root 2 is already there. And one more root 3 plus root 2, we have to do the multiplication over here. Ma'am, I have done... Okay, you don't have mic. Okay, no worries. So this will become this square. And here it will become root 3 minus root 2 whole square. Just because of the LCM, because this denominator completely changed to this denominator. So whatever is not there, that we will be multiplying in the numerators part also. And we will end up having 3 plus a square plus 2ab. When you will do 2ab, you will be getting 2 into root 3 into root 2. That will generate 2 into root 3 into root 2 will be 2 into root 6, we can say. Okay, both the square root number will come together and will get multiplied with each other. Plus b square, root 2 square will be only 2. Similarly, here also we will be doing a square minus 2ab, minus 2 into a into b, plus b square, root 2 square will be only 2, divided by root 3, a minus b, a plus b type of pattern we can see in the denominator. So what we will do, a square minus b square in the denominators part. So a square minus b square in the denominators part, if without even doing the rationalization and all, just by doing the simplification, you can see we are getting we will be able to remove the square root from the denominator, and simultaneously we will be able to cut out this two part, because here we are having plus 2ab, here we are having minus 2ab, same, exactly same term we are having. Now 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2 5, 3 plus 2 5. So in numerator we are having 5 plus 5, in denominator we are having just 3 minus 2, and 10 is the final answer. Can you see it? Yes, perfect, Anam and Samya. Yeah, 10 will be the final answer. Is it clear to everyone? Sarah, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's continue with the next question. So the next question is 5 to the power x minus 2 into 3 to the power 2x minus 3 is equals to 135. X value you have to find from here. Please do it. I'm giving you 5 minutes to do it.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, I've got the answer.
What you got?
Ma'am, I got x as 3.
Okay. Anam, you are saying right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Samya, Saad, Sara, and who else is there?
Ma'am, I also got 3.
Okay, Samya is also getting 3. Hanan.
3, ma'am.
Okay, Hanan is also getting 3.
Ma'am, I also got the answer as 3.
Okay, Saad, you are getting 3. Everyone is getting 3. Let's okay. Yes, Sara, you are also getting 3, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you all have already done. No need to discuss it. Let me write the next question over here only. So the next question is x to the power a by x to the power b whole having power a plus b multiplied with x to the power b by x to the power c whole having power b plus c multiplied with x to the power c by x to the power a whole having power c plus a. Find the value of this one. Find the value of this one. Okay, the given exponential expression.
Is it 1?
Okay, Anam, you are getting 1.
Yes, ma'am.
We will check it. Not sure. Let other student also try it. Then we will be discussing.
Ma'am, 1. Ma'am, I also got 1.
Okay, Samya is also getting 1. Sara, Saad, Hanan.
Ma'am, 1.
Okay, Saad is also getting 1. Yes, Sara, are you getting it? Please let me know if you are not getting. I will do. Otherwise, I will not solve. If everyone is getting the same answer, yeah, that will be the answer. Then I will leave it. Otherwise, please let me know. We will be doing it over here.
Ma'am, I got the answer as 1.
Yes, Sara, what you got?
The answer as 1.
Okay, everyone is getting 1. Fine. Let's move. If a is equals to 2 plus root 3, then find, this is 2. Then find a minus 1 by a. And similarly, one more question is there, that is This one is the different question, and this one is the different. Okay, first do the previous one, then try this one.
Two root 3.
2 root 3 you are getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please do the next one. Like we'll be checking it whether it's 2 root 3 or what. Getting it? What to do over here? Samya, Saad, Anam has already done. Sara, Hanan. Okay, let's check it. Is 2 plus root 3? We have to find a minus 1 by a. That means 2 plus root 3 minus 1 by 2 plus root 3. Okay. There are two ways, like either at first do the simplification and then anyway you have to do the rationalization, or at first only let's do the rationalization of the next part, like this part, and then we can do the simplification. Okay, so at first only you can do the rationalization of this part. At first only you can just focus on completely on this fraction, that is 1 by 2 plus root 3 you are having. You can do the multiplication 2 minus root 3 over here, 2 minus root 3 over here. At first you can do like this. Okay, are we allowed to do? Yes, any fraction we are having anywhere, like suppose I have given you one fractional, let's say addition, like 5 by 2 plus 7 by 3 minus 8 by 7, like this. I have given you one simplification. Okay, now you are allowed to do multiplication in numerator and denominator. If you are doing simultaneously in numerator and denominator, that means you are not changing the fraction. You are not changing the fraction, just a representation you are changing. So you can do multiplication 2 over here, 2 over here. This is completely allowed. Okay, and this is completely correct. It is allowed, it is completely correct. So if you understand this, then we can use the logic over here. At first we can do the rationalization, or the other way also I am showing you, that at first we can do the simplification and then we can do the rationalization. So what we will be having over here, in numerator we are having 2 minus root 3, and in denominator it will be a square minus b square, that is 4a square minus b square. That means in denominator for the next fraction we are having 2 minus root 3 over 4 minus 3 is just 1. Now a basic calculation we have to do. We have to open the bracket and we have to do the subtraction. Yes, you have to open the bracket and then only you will be able to do the subtraction. Be careful, there is a minus sign before the bracket, so carefully we will open the bracket. 2 plus root 3 is there, minus 2 plus root 3 or minus root 3?
And plus root 3.
Plus root 3. Okay, 2 gone. Yes, 2 root 3 we are getting. Yes, it's correct, Anam. Or the other way. Other way is first do the simplification. A minus 1 by a you are having, no? So 2 plus root 3 minus 1 by 2 plus root 2. Is it? Yeah, it is 2 plus root 3. Now take the LCM. LCM of both the term. LCM will be, can you tell me LCM will be? Who will say what will be the LCM? Yes, what will be the LCM? LCM will be LCM of this denominator. Okay, that will be 2 plus root 3 only. Yes or no?
Yes,
This is
ma'am.
other method. So what we can do, here we'll be having 2 plus root 3 whole square, and here just minus 1. Let's do it. Once you will do the calculation over here, then you have to do the rationalize it. Like it, this will take more time. This one is quite simple, right? Now let me show you here also, you will get the same answer. However, it will few more steps we have to perform over here, but that's completely okay. We will be able to do it. Let's do it. So 4a square plus 2ab, that means 2 times 4, 4 root 3. Okay. Plus b square, that is just 3. Minus 1. Okay. By 2 plus root 3. So basically here we are having 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 minus 1, 6. 6 plus 4 root 3 we are having, and in the denominator 2 plus root 3 we are having. Now we have already learned that square root in the denominator anytime is not acceptable, so we have to rationalize it. We will be rationalizing it. In denominator, when you will apply the formula, you will end up having 1. In numerator, now you have to apply the distributive property. So 6 2 times 12, then plus minus 6 root 3, then 4 2 times 8 plus 8 root 3. Is it making sense to all of you? 4 root 3 into root 3 will be minus, because plus minus, when you will be multiplying a positive number with a negative number, it will be negative. And 4 root 3 into root 3 will be just 4 into 3, that is 12. Is it making sense to all of you? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
From here only you will end up having 2 root 3 as a final answer. Check it. Is it clear to everyone? Let's continue with the next question. That is this. X plus 1 by x is given as root 5. We have to find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. X square plus 1 by x square is 3 and wait, x to the power 4. Okay, one of them is 3, another is 7. Let's check it. We are having x plus 1 by x is equals to root 5. X plus 1 by x is root 5. And we have to find x square plus 1 by x whole square. Okay, that means basically we have to find x square plus 1 by x square. So we can use the formula that x square plus 1 by x square means what? X plus 1 by x whole square. That will give a square plus b square plus 2ab. That 2ab term we have to eliminate from here. So by ourselves we can write 2 into x into 1 by x. Okay, the 2ab which we are getting from the bracket part, a plus b whole square bracket part, that we are trying to eliminate, because on the left hand side we have just written x square plus 1 by x square. Okay, we are trying to see, there exists a formula like this, but we are trying to make a formula over here by understanding the scenario. Okay, basically we are trying to do something like this, that a square plus b square means what? A square plus b square, we can make a formula that a plus b whole square we can write, that will give a square b square, and 2ab also it will give. So let's subtract 2ab, and that then both side it will be same. So like this only we are trying to generate a formula over here. Now what we will do over here, you can check, 2 into x into 1 by x will be just 2. Okay, and x plus 1 by x value already we are having in hand. Check it. And once we will do the calculation, we end up getting x square plus 1 by x square. Is it making sense to all of you?
Yes.
So 5 is here, it will be root 5 square is just 5 minus 2, and yes, it is perfect. It will be 3. Yes, Sad, you said no? Yeah, it will be 3. Let's continue. Now we also have to find x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. Let's make a formula by ourselves now. So this time what we will do, we will use this one value. X square plus 1 by x square, that's whole square. This will generate a term x to the power 4. This will generate a term 1 by x to the power 4. But an extra term will also come out from here. So what? We will subtract that extra term. We will subtract, and once we will subtract, we will realize that it is nothing but just 2 only. Okay, so we know the value, that is 3. We will substitute over here, 3 whole square. 9 minus 2, it is 7. Any confusion so far? Yes, Sad, it is correct. It will be 7. Any confusion to anyone?
No, ma'am.
Okay, let's continue. In the given figure, if AC is equals to BD, then prove that AB is equals to CD. A, B, C, and D. Yeah, do it. After doing this one, please try do factorization of this one. Please note down the question. No, I'm stopping the screen sharing for a while. Please note it down. In the given figure, if AC is equals to BD, then prove that AB is equals to CD. Okay. Next one I will be sharing again. Okay. I'm stopping for a while. I'm sharing it. Yeah, you can see the screen over here. Are you able to do the question from Euclid's geometry? Yes, Samya, Saad, Sara, Hanan.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Please let me know what are you getting. Like what is the approach which you are using for the given particular proof?
Ma'am, I got the answer for the first one.
Yeah, tell me how you have done this question from which is from Euclid's geometry.
Ma'am, the axiom which I used was when halves are subtracted,
Mm-hmm.
um, when when equals are subtracted from equals, the remainders are equal.
Exactly, when equal are subtracted from equal, it is given that AC is equals to BD from the left part and from the right hand side part. If we will subtract the same, that is BC. So focus over here. AC minus BC is nothing but AB, and BD minus BC is nothing but CD. And that's what we have to prove it. It's just a two-step proof. What about the next one? Sarah, have you done the next one also?
No, ma'am, I'm doing it now.
Okay, yes, rest of the student, are you able to do the first one like this? Are you understanding? Have you already done? Or now only you understood that, yeah, this way we can do? Yes, Anam, Samya, Sad.
Ma'am, I already solved it.
Okay, already done that. Do the next one as well. See, a to the power 6 and b to the power 6, we have to do the factorization over here. Are you doing it? Are you getting how to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do it. What are you getting?
Now for the factorization question, I have got bracket a plus b multiplied by a square minus ab plus b square multiplied by a minus b.
Is it so?
Ma'am, minus ab plus b square. B cube, B square, B square.
Okay. Yeah, please tell me, Shad, what you got. A to the power 6 minus B to the power 6. Can we write it as a something? Yeah, tell me. Can we write it as a something is square minus the other thing is square? Yes, we can. Rule of exponent we have learned so well. So yeah. Now A plus B, A minus B. Okay. That's what the formula says. If A square minus B square is there, so this is completely A, this is completely B. Okay. Let's write it. A plus B, A minus B. Any confusion so far?
No, ma'am.
Now again we will use the formula. Okay, again we will use the formula for a cube plus b cube. For a cube minus b cube, we will be using the formula. But we do, if you cannot recall the formula, there was a formula for a plus b whole cube, and that was a cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b cube. From here you can do the customization also, and you can just use the formula from here as well. Okay, or if you already know the formula, then you can use the formula directly also. Just a moment, let me check, are we doing any mistake or what? No, this is what we are going to get. Okay, a cube plus b cube formula we can get from here as well. That is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab in bracket a plus b. And from here only, if you can recall, there comes a formula. From here only we can take out a plus b common, and the formula is a plus b whole square and then minus 3ab. That means we will be getting a square, we will be getting b square, and we will be getting minus ab. This is the formula for this one. Directly, if please memorize the formula. From this formula it came. From here only it came. Okay, a cube plus b cube formula is a plus b in one bracket, in another bracket a square minus ab plus b square. So let's use it. A plus b in one bracket, in another bracket a square minus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube formula is, yes, Anam, what is the formula for a cube minus b cube?
Yes, ma'am. Can you just repeat?
What is the formula for a cube minus b cube?
A minus b multiplied with a square plus ab plus b square.
Perfect. And this is the factorized form. Now, are we going to do multiplication of anything? No. Leave it like this. Factorization means this only, something into something into something into something. That's called factorization. Okay, if I'll write a number all of a sudden 32 and will ask you to do the factorization, you will write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So similarly, we